Welcome to David Toons Club.
Today we're drawing a super cute retro-style Stegosaurus. Friendly, chubby, and full of charm. Grab your materials, get comfy, and let's bring this adorable dino to life together. Start with the eyes, big, shiny, and expressive, giving our little Stegosaurus that warm and gentle personality. Sketch the chubby cheeks and rounded head shape. Stegosaurus lived during the late Jurassic period, around 150 million years ago. Add the tiny rounded beak, keeping everything soft to match that classic retro cartoon vibe. Draw the tiny nostrils and a sweet little smile, friendly enough for kids' books from the 50s. And remember, if any part feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. Drawing should always feel fun and relaxing. Its plates weren't just for decoration. Scientists believe they helped regulate body temperature. Despite their size, stegosaurs had a tiny brain, often compared to the size of a walnut. Now outlined a sturdy body, keeping it oval and soft, with a gentle curve along the back. Draw the short, chunky legs, making them simple and cute to keep that old-school style. Their tail spikes are called phagomizers, a term that originally came from a comic strip. They were peaceful herbivores, mostly munching on ferns, moss, and low-growing plants. Stegosaurs walked on all fours, with back legs longer than their front legs. They shared their world with massive predators like Allosaurus. Fossils of stegosaurs have been found mostly in North America, especially in Colorado and Wyoming. Add the small details, tiny claws, belly curve, and any subtle texture lines to enhance the retro feel. When adding the plates along the back, make them large, chunky, and slightly rounded at the top, starting tall near the head and gradually getting smaller as they move toward the tail. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to support the channel and explore more tutorials here on David Toons Club. And hey, there's a card right here in the upper corner where you can find a playlist full of other dinosaur drawings. Which dino would you like to see next? Tell me in the comments. Your ideas always help bring new creatures to life. Give the tail a soft curve and finish it with the cute retro-style spikes, keeping everything smooth and playful. For this retro-style Stegosaurus, the main colors are bright leaf green for the body, warm beige for the belly and snout, orange plates along the back with darker orange shading, and small yellow oval spots on the legs and body. The mouth has a reddish interior, and the claws are off-white. Feel free to follow these tones or experiment with your own palette. And here's our Stegosaurus, cute, friendly, and full of that nostalgic retro cartoon charm. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.